Hello everyone, on my channel. Here I took this video at the Atlantic Ocean while sailing from Malaysia to Tangier Med. We took the way from the south of Africa. Here I wanted to show you this unique cloud formation. This is called as roll cloud. If you see at the cloud in the video which I am showing right now, the cloud is in the form of cylindrical shape, or you can say it's like a roll. So that's why this formation is called roll cloud. This formation you cannot see every day at sea. So for these kind of videos and these kind of scenes, kindly subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.